Welcome back to the channel. I'm Damo. Today's pedal lab video, we are in Hall 5 of the British Motorshow and we're going to run through our top 3 cars, myself and my son. On TikTok over lockdown and got really loads of followers almost overnight. Which one? I've got to have a Countach in my top 3. Probably the red one. Oh, the XJ220s covers are off. Also, that Resto mod Mustang I quite like too. And I do quite like that pickup, is a little bit nuts as well.
I like this Skyline.
Yeah?
Probably be in my top 3.
Is it an R33?
It's a 34.
34. Oh, it actually says on the front. I looked at this yesterday. That is one of my favourites. It's a complete Resto mod inside. Seats, even the back seats, is all the Mercedes interior. That is incredible. The only sort of giveaway is the gap in the dashboard between the sort of bulkhead. That's a proper AMG engine.
Oh, I like these.
Yeah, that's quite nice. So mine is that Mustang and the Countach.
That will probably be in my top 3 as well.
What, the Countach?
No, the Escort.
The Escort?
I like them, yeah.
Ah, the Mark 1.
Yeah.
It's a dragster that, isn't it? It's got massive wheels at the back. Look at this Mark 1 TT.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Whoa. Need some sunshine. Need some bright light. What? Can't beat a Mark 1 TT. That Mini's nuts. Look at the air intake at the front. Oh, tight. I know. That is my 3rd. So Countach, NSX, and the Resto Mustang. Those are my top. You're going to tell me it's auto, aren't you?
Yeah, it is.
I know. Modded Mustang, lowered, funky wheels, very shiny bits. It's cool, but Clio Williams. That could be in my. I might have to demote NSX and go Clio Williams.
I think this might be. Yeah, this is my other 3.
Can't beat any car with gold wheels. Yeah.
So I have NSX, Escort Mark 1 and Williams Clio.
Okay, I've got Countach, Resto Mod Mustang and Clio Williams.
It's Deadpool.
It's a different wrap than that was on yesterday. They just must be taking it off, keep putting a new one on.
Yep.
Any of these fancy automobiles? Oh, I do like this Audi 100 that's for sale, that's been lowered, that's original, from Germany, left-hand drive. It is an Audi 100. Audi 100 LS C1, earlier car, 69, 1.8, 100 horsepower, 62,000 miles, original interior, and it's for sale for £16,995. I like it. More cool Nissans, a lot
Look at
of cars in
the lights on that bike.
Oh, that's a proper little mod scooter. Yes. 1965. when we were in the Isle of Wight and we saw them all, like a big procession of them. I do quite like this Mark 1 Golf. The firm. So, recap, what's your top 3?
Skyline.
Skyline.
Escort Mark 1.
Escort Mark 1 Dragster.
And Clio Williams.
Clio Williams. I've got Clio Williams, red Lamborghini Countach and Resto mod Ford Mustang. There's nothing else over here, although there is a modded. Let's get past this beautiful Ford Escort, Ford Mondeo. That's pretty pristine. Oh, let's have a little peek in here. Oh, that is glorious. Wow, I love the little detail in there. This is OCD. Beautiful. Vauxhall Nova. This looks stripped, lowered, big wheels. Nova Spin 1 litre, red top engine conversion, strengthening kit, upgraded induction, front suspension, steel bushes, GSI rear spoiler, GTE digital dash, white clear indicators. Wow.
The speakers.
In the early 2000s, you used to be able to just couldn't move for like modded Vauxhall Novas, as it says there, the max power generation. Lambo Doors on this Mini. Okay, thanks for watching this pedal out video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you again very soon. Cheers.